What's good, y'all, boy, man? Welcome back to the channel, man.
Might well take the damn pillow off.
It's early in the morning. I'm with these niggas, bro. Like, what time it is?
We finna be late.
9 in the morning, bro. So, y'all, right now, I told y'all in my last video, we're supposed to be going to Jacksonville for a little car show or whatever. Feel me? So, I pull up with JT or whatever, and we go to the gas station, bro. Crazy shit happened to the nigga shit. Like,
I feel like somebody, like, the Mexicans got up in my car and just got unscrewing some shit.
these niggas shit started leaking coolant, bro.
Well, I'm telling you, I gotta owe that nigga.
Man, I'm gonna get that nigga. I'm about that nigga how when I get, you know what I'm saying?
Nigga get on, but we gotta do something special for that nigga.
For real.
Oh shit.
Nah, we really gotta do that shit for sure.
We gotta goddamn.
Nigga had me coming through for a nigga.
I'm telling you, but I ain't never been for in my life.
We finna be at the crib, boy.
I'm telling you.
I would've drove my shit if I would've got an oil change. I ain't gonna care.
When last time you got an oil change?
Nah, I need one now.
I would've paid for this shit on gang.
Damn, for real.
Yeah. How much oil change?
80? Your shit 80, right?
Nah,
Oh, your shit free.
Yeah, my shit be free.
Shit free.
I would've paid for that shit on God.
But still though, look though. We had to make it back though. If 4 out there, gonna be probably 4 out back.
So?
What you mean?
What you mean?
Want me to get oil change out there?
You gonna need another fucking oil change by going out there?
No, I need one before I do all that driving. It's 8 hours.
Yeah, I said I was gonna pay for it.
You're right.
Nigga, oil change place open right now on Biddy.
You're right.
On Biddy.
Yeah, we got that boy Quan pulling right now. Hey, you watching this video, bro? I don't know. I might buy a bird, goddamn. A Rolls Royce or some shit. Y'all look at this nigga think he finna go to the airport. It's part 2. Y'all ain't see my orange cut vlog because I had to delete it. But we finna wait on Quan. And we gonna hit the road with Rod and everybody else. So I'm gonna get back to y'all later, man. We in front of y'all, boys! Ain't nobody in their car. I thought if you were paid. Forget your ass up, boy. I heard you was in there sleep the whole ride, bro.
Actually, I've been cooking up. I ain't gonna lie.
What you been cooking? You editing?
That's valid.
This nigga dancing. Hey man, we pulled over. I'm thinking this nigga car fucked up. These niggas got to take a piss and shit. We in motherfucking Florida right now. You know what I'm saying? You finna put them on?
I might have to put these on, man.
Oh, it's too hot?
Yeah.
What else you gonna wear with it? What else you gonna wear with it?
Shit, I might fuck around and put these shits on.
Oh yeah, bro.
It's too hot, bro.
We need to stop at the gas station and a car wash.
Yeah, we need to get a. When we get there, we gotta get a car when we get there.
Hey man, we done finally. Man, we just got in Florida. We ain't where we supposed to be at yet, but we just got here. You feel me? And the Florida weather just feels so good, like.
Man, as soon as you cross over, it got hot.
It's supposed to be hot out here, bro. Like that shit feel good, bro. And we outside right now. We done made it in Florida. We really just hit like the Florida sign, but yeah, we out here though. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy. Hey, what vlog number this shit that I'm in?
I don't know. I think like 6, 7. Yeah.
No, not in traffic. It's always this nigga, bro. Go sit your ass down somewhere, bro. What happened? What the fuck? Oh, fuck, no! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Bro, dummy fuck. Bro, get your ass back in the car, bro. Bro. Alright, y'all, boy.
Yeah, damn, bro. Hold on. Bring that down.
Y'all boy, you see, we back here packed like monkeys, you feel me?
Oh, shit.
No. We back here packed like monkeys. I just had to let my boy talk to get some leg room. I mean, step outside the street.
Hey, bro, I need you to play that for real again, bro.
Yeah! Blow that bitch, baby! It's Gucci now. I hope so. What's up, my young brothers? What's up, my young brothers? I put my arm straight over you. Come on, bro. Come on.
Yo, is it OD?
I put my arm straight over you.
No, you try to raise your arm up. Yeah. Yo, is it crazy if I get some alcohol?
Nigga, you grown as hell, dude.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
I forgot you ain't like 17. Now, if you was 17, I'm like, you tripping.
I'm
You know what I'm saying? You grown, like you old enough to, you know.
What's up with you? You good?
Turn around.
Watch out, bro. Watch out.
I'm sorry. Hey, everything on shut. Everything on shut, man.
What you say?
Meet me at the camera.
Bro, you been busting on it too. I know what them checks look like. And you said last month was the biggest month.
Hey, stay away from me, bro. No, nigga, you. Nah, let's go back over here. Hell nah. Nigga, your shit.
But I mean, hey, that's for next
busting
month.
out the bando, nigga.
That's for next month.
Nah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see you next month, 21st.
All right.
I'll meet you in the middle.
Fit though, this is not what I'm wearing. It's not. I just hopped out the bed, put some shit on.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, what the fuck?
From the dirty clothes.
Nah. Nah. I'm gonna get to eat. I see you goddamn. My bad. I'm sorry, bro.
This nigga saying shit.
This is the best chip in the world. You bugging.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You told me this was the best one.
Okay, how you doing?
I'm mixing. Yeah, I need some real food, bro.
Appreciate it.
This is probably gonna be my best vlog.
That's why I fuck with you now. Hey, I did BMW hard as fuck. Real. That'd be hard. What you munching on?
Huh?
What you munching on?
Bro, I need some real food, bro.
Me too. Man, we ain't gonna eat that.
I think that's bro right there that was talking to us like the whole YouTube. I'm gonna ask him about it.
So y'all, we just made a pit stop. Where y'all out there? I think we about 30 minutes away right now. What'd you say? Damn, they ain't had none. They ain't had no Nutty Buddy.
Bro, you could've got me.
I didn't have no Nutty Buddy, bro, did it? You want an oatmeal pie?
Nah, that ain't good, bro.
Nigga hell, bro. Who on your dick, bro?
Bro, bro, you looking at my dick and shit. To my walking, what is going on? What kind, bro?
Gay hell, bro. You gay hell.
He had some thong shorts on, bro.
But it's not a tripod.
Bro, I told him, take that shit out your ass, bro.
You said you got on thongs.
Look, bro, you gotta work with what you got, bro. I ain't got all the YouTube vlogging shit. I just decided to do it, bro.
Okay.
God damn, y'all knocking a nigga hustle
though.
down already,
That
bro.
shit hard.
Right now, y'all knocking a nigga hustle down now.
I got my track hawk outside, and we got the personal driver of the track hawk. Beat your head or not? I thought it was corn shit. What you mean? Huh? No, I said I thought that was corn shit right there.
Alright, I'm gonna catch that boy.
No!
Damn!
You almost
Damn, you just can't
man.
do shit right, huh? But you just can't do shit right, bro. What y'all think I should do? I should go foreign or I should stay American? I should stay American just for a little bit. Foreign?
Yeah.
It's just that I've never had a cat before. But it's I don't know, I'm stuck. I might get a Benz too. But if shit go my way, I'm gonna get a CT5 black one.
A-top.
I'm always trying to focus.
Top.
Leave people alone.
What you said? Man, you got some thong shorts on, but I ain't trying to. Tell this nigga to get off my dick, bro. Nigga, it's a thong short. Nigga, it's a thong. I gotta work my way up to this shit, bro. I'm gonna get you. I ain't gonna lie,
Oh!
Yo, the camera.
Ooh, look at Gio. That's the first thing you ever did, boy.
I don't know why you think I'm trying to dap you up.
What?
Hell no, that nigga beat the fuck out of me.
Yo, home. Do my shit, nigga.
My bad.
You just come out asking about this
I ain't
shit.
mean to, bro.
You just come out.
I ain't mean to, bro.
You know what? You see that?
No.
You hold that real quick. Oh, they got Arizona?
I'm trying to get lean.
I'm trading my shit.
What you just say?
What you got in your cup?
Ice, cause this gonna get hot by the time we get there.
Put some this in there.
Pussy.
You got the wrong shit.
You think this shit was $3? You think he'll give me 3 Arizonas or just trade this back in?
We in the town. We in the car wash. Look at the sky view.
Let go, man. We already late.
Hold on.
We already late.
Cat, my film days for the car show.
Bro, get the fuck out my with that shit, boy. I ain't see no fucking Nutty Buddy, bro. You went there and got your own snap, bro.
I'm just following behind your ass to hear the saying.
Hey, turn that music down. I'm vlogging, big bro. Fuck your vlog. Alright, y'all, but we done finally arrived, I think. We got all the cars outside. Where the hell my shit at? Oh, shit. Let me get twerking and shit. God
Damn.
Okay, we got white boy Miley out there, motherfucker. Look. He my big brother this shit. Oh shit. Oh damn. That nigga made my leg lift up and I farted. They shutting it down?
Nah, it's illegal.
It's illegal.
It's illegal.
So
The shit they doing right now.
Damn, everybody be happy to see my young nigga, man.
Might not be. It smell
Yeah,
like
they be happy to see my young nigga, man. Like that shit. So
It smell like straight gas. I fuck with that.
oh, they be is legal. They barbecuing.
Oh shit, we finna throw this nigga talking about they barbecue.
We ain't even gotta go out to eat.
Oops.
12.
That leg corn right there, the nigga.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Nigga, that was like spaceship kill.
You got a wristband?
Nah, I'm on the flyer.
You got a flyer?
Yeah.
Okay.
He with me too, behind me.
I fuck with y'all boys videos, bro.
Appreciate it.
Don't you need to give us a wristband?
I don't have a wristband. I don't have a VIP wristband. Y'all straight.
I had my shoes being sick, right? Bro, I'm tired of your little bitch ass. As soon as we get out, I swear I'm knocking the fuck out.
All I wanted my nutty buddy, and you ain't want to get it.
Nigga, you be goddamn. One of goddamn.
Ain't it with nutty buddies in
You
there?
want some nutty buddy in your mouth?
Ain't it with nutty buddies in there?
Nutty buddy in your
Ain't
mouth?
it with nutty buddies in
You want
there?
some nutty buddy in your mouth?
Nigga ain't want to give me a nutty buddy.
You want some chocolate?
He gonna lie to me and say it with no nutty buddies in
Word,
there.
it wasn't no nutty buddy.
Yeah,
Damn,
So
this
why
big
you
ass
get
model
nutty
pod,
buddy?
bro. I can't
Cause I was like, damn, bro. Could have got there and gave me a nutty buddy.
This big ass model pod can't even fucking record, bro.
Take
What
this
the
I be abusing these niggas, man. They be talking
fuck?
all
Fucked
that
up
shit.
my hat, bro. This shit wasn't even
Where
like
your
this.
hat, bro? That boy like Vontae. I thought that was That boy Vontae in Florida. What the hell you doing out here?
Bro, where my shit at, bro?
Y'all always complaining, bro. What you got? But let me get the fuck out.
We getting hot as hell. I'm in the middle of all this shit.
Hold around now.
All y'all breaths is coming like straight to me, bro.
How you still like medicine?
Nah, bro. My leg cold as shit, bro. What? No homo.
Feel right there.
Feel right here, no homo, bro. They cold as fuck.
I ain't no care. I can't do that. I believe you. Get your bitch ass out the car, fuck nigga. I got you, bro. That motherfucker loaded. That look cool in here. You should've worn some short though. It is getting a little hot out there, bitch. And we're gonna be straight in the sun too. What happened? Ain't nothing even happy yet, bro.
Niggas take up all this damn space, man. Look at that.
Oh nah, we good though, cause look, they can't leave without that.
But I mean, Rick can't slide shit today.
Damn.
Rick can't slide shit today.
Good.
Long ass journey.
Hey, y'all voted on us last time.
What happened?
Y'all supposed to come with Reek last time.
I ain't even know about it. I just found out about it now. Yeah, Rick on the way right now.
Y'all backed out on us last time. Big.
What's with?
We gonna wear them one either. What's wrong with these niggas?
Nigga always trying to show all this fat ass head again.
That's a bro,
Very politely there,
You should about the G35, 37, 34.
I would've tried to slide my shit out there though.
Nah, you showed the foot over, I ain't gonna lie. That hot wheel car, the foot over, I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, back the fuck up, alright?
Let me get in.
Looking at me.
Damn, bro, this shit gonna slap. Hold on. We finna head to the circle where they sliding that shit like that. You know I got Big Shaq with me. Yeah. This motherfucker a little loaded.
Damn.
I need to get to the middle. scat down. Oh. What happened?
I said I thought bro was Shaq.
This shit leaking?
I don't think so. It should have just been his bumper.
This shit leaking. Oh, hell no. This motherfucker getting wicked.
What is your dumb man doing?
Huh?
What is your dumb man doing?
Somebody shit had pulled up. Everybody ran over here, so I came too.
Okay.
Hey, yo, tree. Hey,
Fuck up, buddy!
Tree.
Yo, say everything.
You can't even see how these.
Hey, you run the G out?
Huh?
You run the G out?
I ain't bring the bit. I ain't bring that bit. I didn't get that bit. Oh my God! No! No! I think that bitch just hot. Oh, that bitch smoking out there too. No. They lit in that motherfucker. Oh shit. Everybody bag up. Everybody bag up. Yo. We just had to make a run for it.
Oh, come fine.
Hey, close that bit. Oh shit, I'm tripping.
Hey, Tom, you got your bag?
It's in the back.
Alright. You pass it to me real quick.
Y'all nigga foot was just hanging, bro. Like some.
Did y'all get a video of it?
Hell nah. You know, JT caught that bit a gummy worm.
Send me that bitch, JT.
That shit was crazy.
You gonna be?
I think Dia got the
Niggas started
actual
putting out that
nasty
fine
part,
shit.
like
I want the
bucking.
nasty part.
Yeah.
I want the nasty part. My airdrop on already,
Be
bro.
nasty.
I'm sorry, bro, but that shit interests me, bro.
Nah, that shit not interesting.
That shit interests me, bro.
You can up that five times, ain't busted. Put it up, buddy.
Yeah, what you
Oh,
don't.
he got shot up by a car or by like some knife or some shit.
That's what you don't do.
He pulled his file like 3 times. Put it back up.
It's about nigga that got hit.
Yeah.
Look, y'all.
Nigga that
He got hit by a car.
that shit hurt.
Is it?
Yeah.
Damn, that's what
That
the fuck
bit
just
hard.
happened, bro.
That'd be hard.
That shit on live, nigga. I'm getting big car bed.
That'd be hard. You know, I'm tired as fuck. I'm hot as fuck.
But top dilly on.
Alright, Jacksonville, it been good. It been
They like
cool.
you eat hot dog without nothing on it.
I eat ketchup on it.
I'ma still post this thumbnail. This shit
Oh, you
look
like
cool as hell.
you like ketchup on your hot dog?
Yeah.
Look at that dumb ass nigga, bro.
Who me?
He was in left angle.
Oh, boy.
Check it out.
You gotta unlock the car, bitch.
Where you gonna lock yourself?
Oh, you can't.
Yes, you can.
Stop talking to me, bro.
He ain't home yet. Oh, he joning. He joning. Where the fuck tree come from? What the fuck?
And that was $100,000 in, and that was in a week. I've been focusing, man, I'm nowhere near my lead.
Everything on tree, ain't it? Y'all can see, man, we at Chick-fil-A right now. Niggas finna order some food. You said you like takeovers?
Yeah, my first time going to that shit. That shit was fire.
You
Like
want some
the whole running part, I like that.
Yeah, we was. The takeover, but we was dangerous.
Cause you get the good footage, and then like if you smart, you know when the car swinging too far, you're like, let me back up. You see everybody else run, you're like, look at the way nigga.
Oh, no, I won't play now.
Oh, I thought I saw a shirt University.
Oh, no.
Oh no, he been dropped out.
This a girl. Hey, you should be a singer, bro. A singer. Allow some Usher shit.
I used to be a singer. Then I had puberty.
You ready to hit the road? Yeah, I just had some food. I know I be forgetting to feed y'all, so this is all I got left.
Can you feed me?
Still like an hour away, bro.
Leave that be one time.
But yo, where the hell? Gay
Shorty told how you suck that. Hey, before I turn on the camera, they go here slurping that motherfucker.
Yeah,
Like
you
this.
eat pussy.
Go ahead. Where the hell we take this shit?
Till I put something in my purse.
They got my start right now. Oh shit. Now why would they do that? You wanna take my hands off him?
No.
She's talking about the tax haven.
You heard it? Shit. You good again.
What's these?
You ain't shit, boy.
Bro, why your lens look like that?
Shit broke.
My shit still work though.
Yeah.
They better.
Carpet vest on?
Let me tickle your feet. They cold as hell in that bitch. Ah, this shit just went right on my ass. See that bit, bro? Bro, this nigga don't come on, bro. These nigga